Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. This is just a short kind of video keeping you up to date on my car. It will start off with me talking about an issue I have, and it will carry on as a basic point of view video. I need to work out what's the best way to improve them, as I'm not overly happy with this point of view video. I will probably ask my friend Michael from the YouTube channel Beamer Belgium, Beamer spelt B-I-M-M-E-R. He has a F20 114i which puts out about 225 horsepower with a stage 1 tune-up. That thing sure does fly. Anyway, back to my 2012 116i, which has a basic 136 horsepower. So basically I haven't driven my car since the start of the Christmas holidays. So basically I haven't really driven my car for about 2 months, which is not good really, and I haven't really driven it as much at all over the whole year. So before I started up my car, I checked all the levels and the quality of them, and they were all perfect, but I will make a video on how to replace them all in the near future anyway. When it came to starting the car, I wasn't sure if it would turn over, to be honest. I thought the battery would be dead, especially as the battery is almost 8 years old. When I pressed the ignition switch, it said increased battery discharge when stationary. Then later on, it said the battery level is low on charge. Saying that though, it fired up straight away. So this is my plan. I may be wrong, but it's how I will deal with it. It will also help me make more videos. So I drove the car for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I went on some fast roads and some slow roads, and yeah, it didn't actually work out for me. The warning light was still on. Maybe I should have driven a bit more. You will probably notice that on the instrument cluster onboard computer there is a yellow warning triangle, which is there because of the issue I have. I know my battery needs replacing really, but I want to try my C-Tech MXS 5.0 charger and show people what it can do, or at least teach people what it can do. Maybe it will buy me some time in finding a good replacement battery. I will probably get the same battery again from my local BMW dealership, as the original battery was very good. It's so frustrating, to be honest. I bought this really clever little charger to keep my car charged all the time, but unfortunately, as soon as I bought the charger, the land where my garage is, along with all the other garages, had the power cut off, so I never actually got to use it. I will go through the modes etc. and see if it can bring my old AMG battery back to health, or kind of back to health. And if that doesn't work, then I will buy a new battery, and I'll go through the process needed to change the battery and information about the IBS system and registering it too. How old is your car battery? And if you replaced it, what battery did you actually get, and which brand? I am very interested. Anyway, that's just a short update, and the video now will continue as a point of view video. To be honest, I'm not surprised if you stop the video because the footage isn't as smooth as I wanted. I keep checking the mirrors too much, and there's so much going on around me, so I have to keep looking everywhere to see if there's any problems. If you have any questions about your BMW, or any BMWs, or any car, please just remember to message me down below, and I'll make a special video for you. Thank you, and take care. Goodbye.